Hello students. So in this video we will be discussing about the vacant seats notification that is released by NLU Kolkata or NLU West Bengal, which is also called the West Bengal National University for Juridical Sciences. Now you can access the notification as well as the application link from our website Abhyaas Lawprep. You simply search for CLAT 2024 vacant seats on Google. The very first website that will appear is of Abhyaas Lawprep, from where you can access both the notification as well as the application link. This is the particular website from where you can access this. Right, let me show you from where you can access this. If you go down in this website, there is a particular column wherein for each university you will get to see the notification and the application link being attached there. Right, if we come to the application link, if we come to the notification, from that notification link, if you look at the notification mentions three important things. One, it mentions the number of vacant seats that are available and the category under which they are available. Then we get to see the payment link and the required payment that is required to be paid here. The payment fee in this regard is 2000 rupees. It's a non-refundable amount that you have to pay in order to avail any of the vacant seat or even express your interest for these vacant seats. Right. Apart from that, the last date has been given in this regard, and the merit list, the date of merit list also has been given in this regard. So let's talk about all these aspects in detail. Right. If you look at the number of vacant seats that are available, so as you know, under the category of undergraduation program, NLU Kolkata offers two programs, that is BSc LLB and BLLB. In BLLB, we have only one vacant seat, and that too have an horizontal reservation of PWD. So only those who have All India unreserved PW category, those who have person with disability reservation, only they can avail this particular seat. If we come to BSc LLB, in that we have under All India category 3 seats, under All India SC category 1 seat, and under All India ST category 1 seat. So these are number of seats that are available. 5 in BSc LLB and only 1 seat, and that too for PWD category in BLLB program. Right? The last day to fill this application is 26th of June 2024, after which the merit list will be drawn on 2nd of July 2024 according to your All India rank. Those students whose name appear in this particular list, they have to appear, or they have to physically appear or attend the counseling that will happen on 10th of July 2024 and pay the first semester fee in this regard. That's mentioned in the notification. Right? The notification also says that the application has to be filled by way of this particular payment portal. Right? So the same payment portal link has been given in our website under the category of application link. So if you click at the application link, you will be taken to this State Bank of India portal, from where you have to search for this university, that is the West Bengal. So as soon as you search for it, the West Bengal National University for Juridical Sciences will appear. Click on this, after which you will be taken to that particular payment gateway of that particular university, right? That is NLU Kolkata. From here, select the categories. Because this is an admission fee, I will click on admission application fee. Right, after which here I will mention my name. Here I have to mention my father or mother's name. Here you are required to mention the category under which you are applying, because there is no as such apart from subcategory. In subcategory you have PWD, because that is the only category, that's the only open vacant seat for BLLB, as I have shown you here, right? Or apart from that, under this particular category you have to mention All India category or West Bengal domicile. West Bengal domicile as such there are no vacancy, but if you look at the notification, it says that for all future vacant seats that may arise, subsequent vacant seats. If you look here, subsequent vacancies in all other categories also, if in future arises, that will be drawn based on this particular application only. So in that case, you have to fill your domicile also. Right, your subcategory you have to mention here. Apart from that, your address, your phone number, your email address, the course that you're preferring, right? BSc LLB or BLLB in undergraduation, and LLM in case of post graduation. Then your CLAT application number, your CLAT All India rank, your CLAT admit card number, your application fees fixed as 2000. Then remark, here you can write a fee towards vacancies. right? That can be written here. Then uh, if you come down here in details, you have to mention your bank details or the details from which you are making the transaction. After which you have to agree to the terms and condition, right? And then here you have to enter the captcha, and then you have to go to the next step. The next step is to verify your payment details. Next, after that, you have to complete your payment, and then a payment receipt will be available. You have to download, or you have to keep this payment receipt with you, because this will serve as an acknowledgement that you have filled for this particular vacancy. Right? As I've told you, after you complete this process, you will be successfully, your expression of interest will be successfully enrolled, after which a merit list will be drawn on 2nd of July. When this merit list is out, we'll definitely update the information with regards to that as well, right? And those students whose name appear in this, as I've told you, you have to appear before 3 p.m. on 10th of July at university, that is West Bengal National University, and you have to pay the remaining fee in order to log this, right? If suppose any future vacancies still are available, in that case other students will be taken, other students who have filled this application and whose name did not appear, they will be taken into consideration, their name will be taken into consideration to draw the fresh vacancy, fresh merit list regarding vacancies, right? I hope that this video was useful. If you have any other further queries or you have any confusion with regard to the notification, you can reach out to us. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.